All right.
These are all Glen Queens. These are all radiator springs. These are all piston cups. These are all Boost, DJ, and Ringo are.
And what cars are these ones?
All these Logan Prees and.
These are all the Cars 2 characters.
And these are all, but Grim and Nacer and Rutter Brennan are bad.
Oh, they're the bad guys. And who are your favorite of these ones? Like, who are these ones? Who's this?
Carnavelosa, Mia Camino, Jeff Corvette. My favorite is Jeff Corvette and all those Glen Queen.
Ah, and who's this one?
Rutledge Kanowski.
And who's this?
Toroku.
Who are all those? Who's that?
Lateral Carols. And
You have a lot of Francescos.
Okay.
And who? Ooh, these are all your Piston Cup ones. Those are all cool ones too, right?
Yeah. Bye-bye. I love you.